So here we are again. The weekend's passed, and maybe we didn't get as much done as we would have liked to. So with my Motivation Mondays, could be Manic Monday. No, it's going to be Motivational Monday. What I'm trying to do is help you guys get back on track or get started or wherever your need is. So here we go. This week, I want to talk about using timers to get yourself motivated. So, this varies upon the person, how much time you can allot to yourself to get yourself going, okay? So, on YouTube, you'll find a lot of power hour videos, and a lot of them are in time lapse, because we're not going to watch an hour-long video on somebody cleaning. But the object of these videos is to see how much the person can get done in an hour and to show you how much you can accomplish in an hour. But maybe an hour is too long for you, or maybe you're trying to motivate somebody in your family who really doesn't want to help you out. So I have a couple little tips on things that you can do to use a timer to motivate people. So make it into a game, okay? Either it's a mental game that you're playing with yourself or a game with your children. To help them maybe pick up their toys or straighten up their room or whatever it is that you need help with, help you in the kitchen or, whatever you need. So I would say with a small child or a child who's not used to helping out, start small, okay? You don't have to do an hour. What if you only did 5 minutes? And find out how much you can get done in 5 minutes. And make sure that, especially if you're trying to motivate somebody else, make sure that there's some sort of satisfaction that they get out of it at the end of that 5 minutes. So praise is really important. Showing them the fruits of their labor, like how dirty and icky the cleaning rag is, or how much laundry they've picked up off of their floor, or how they can find their toys now. Whatever it is, something that will appeal to them and give them a sense of accomplishment and teamwork and, helping out, okay? You want this to be fun and gratifying. And actually, the same thing goes for us, the big people. So there's a lady, Fly Lady. I know a lot of people have heard of her, and she's got some really great ideas and tips and ways to help people get their house back in some kind of an order and get your life in order. And what does she call it? I think she calls it marathon cleaning. So basically what she's done is in 2 hours, which is not really that long, and the amount of things that you can get accomplished in 2 hours, or even an hour if you don't have 2 hours, is amazing. So basically the concept is we're focusing on areas of the room that are the most important. So the kitchen, the living room, and the bathroom, okay? Or bathrooms, but mostly I would say the main bathroom that everybody uses. And how it works is, so it's 15-minute increments. So the first 15 minutes you spend in the kitchen. You set your timer and you spend 15 minutes in the kitchen. When the timer goes off, you leave the kitchen. Doesn't matter if you're finished or not. You're probably not, okay? And that's fine. Go to the living room, and then you spend 15 minutes in the living room picking up magazines and things that people have thrown down, and folding the little comforter that you have on the back of your sofa, and maybe wiping surfaces off. And just a little side note, this is surface cleaning. This is not deep cleaning. This is just to get things back into some kind of a manageable order so that when somebody comes into your house, you're not mortified, okay? And then the last 15 minutes of that first hour, you may go into the bathroom or back into the kitchen, okay? So now we've got 45 minutes that we've done cleaning, at least 2 areas of the house, maybe 3. So when the third 15-minute timer goes off, guess what you do? You stop and you take a break, a 15-minute break, okay? Now you think about it. You've done basically 45 minutes of work and you're getting a 15-minute break. Now I know that when you're in a job, you have to work 2.5, 3 hours, sometimes longer than that, just to get a 15-minute break, okay? So you take that 15-minute break and do something other than cleaning, okay? Have a cup of coffee, go outside and listen to the birds, or make a phone call. Do something that's not cleaning, okay? When that 15 minutes is up, set your timer again and go on to the next area that may still need some work. So maybe you need to finish up in the living room. Maybe you need to finish up in the bathroom. Maybe you need to sweep the hall. 15 minutes. I mean, I don't know, but it's 15 minutes on one room, 15 minutes on the next room, 15 minutes on the last room, and again, you have another 15-minute break after 2 hours, and I am telling you, you can get so much done. Another thing that she recommends, and we're going to talk about this more as we go along, is before you start, do something that's going to uplift your spirits, make you happy that you're in your home. So light a nice candle, put on some music that you like to listen to, put some flowers in the middle of your table in the kitchen, say. Even if the kitchen table is still a cluttered mess, you can still put those flowers there. They're still going to be pretty, right? Just something that's going to make you feel good and put a little love into your home. So 15 minutes. It doesn't have, and okay, so here's the thing. Maybe you can't even do an hour, okay? A power hour or 2 hours like I just said. Start out small. Take little baby steps. So if you're giving 5 minutes to a child, okay, maybe you don't have a child. I don't have a child at home anyway. And hopefully I'm past that kind of demotivation, but you never know. I mean, I do set timers on occasion in my house just to keep me going. That timer kind of is like a contest with myself. But maybe you can only do 15 minutes. That's fine, okay? Just get started. And here's another thing. I had this happen one time. It never happened again. I usually give a pre-warning. Look, this is what I'm doing. I'm setting a timer. You may think I'm crazy. I don't care. Stay out of my way or you're going to end up in the recycling bin. Okay? So truck, and I'm hoping that you guys can hear me. Maybe people in your household that you're living with don't understand what you're doing. They don't understand that maybe it's time for a change. Maybe we need to do something to straighten up this mess and live like, civilized people. Maybe they just don't understand it. Maybe they don't understand that you're not feeling motivated and you need some help. And this is how you're helping yourself, by setting a timer. Make light of it, but don't let it get you down. Don't let it distract you. Don't let it discourage you. It doesn't matter. Okay? People say all kinds of dumb stuff, even the people that we love. Just do something and get moving. So I hope that you found this motivating. Again, I'm Miss Jenny. I do want to thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you have any questions or comments, you know where to put them. I answer every single one. Thank you so much, and you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.